Hello, my name is Putri. You can call me Destia. I am 19 years old. I'm graduate from Office Vocation High School. I once worked in a garment in Bandung. I happen to have worked in garment for 2 years because I have basic accounting skills. I work in garment as an accounting and purchasing staff. I have the creativity to make financial reports. I can be like this now because I really have a lot of knowledge in accounting. My weakness is that I am forgetful. In any case, I overcome it by always writing down all the important things on my albums so that I always remember because my album is always in my hand. The reason I moved from my previous job was because it was too monotonous and very error-prone, and the working hours were too expensive. The salary was not in accordance with the fund and I was working on. Because I know I working here is the right job, I can grow rapidly with that knowledge. I have an experience from previous job, and I can also know how to be for better, find solution to every problem, be a responsible employee, and I can adjust to this new job. Apart from work, I like to spend my free times on holiday reading books such as novel. Even if I don't read books, I like traveling to places that are recommended by many influencers. Thank you very so much for watching and see you.